Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles at home. First, gather all your ingredients. Combine 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a half cup of melted butter. This ensures a smooth and consistent batter for perfect waffles every time. Now, it's time to combine your wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until they are just combined. It's important not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much, resulting in tough waffles. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will disappear during cooking. This step is crucial for achieving that light and fluffy texture we all love. With your batter ready, preheat your waffle iron to a medium setting. Lightly grease the iron with cooking spray or a little melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the hot iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffles are golden brown and steam no longer escapes. This indicates they are perfectly cooked. Your delicious homemade waffles are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately for the best taste and texture. You can top them with classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. If you're making a large batch, keep them warm in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Leftovers can be frozen and easily reheated in a toaster for a quick breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.